Alright, so if you don't get up in time, this is what happens. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're well. Dogs are in there screaming. Especially Nori. You can really tell she's out there screaming. Nori. Nori, what are you doing, baby? Cheer Bear. Where's Cheer Bear? Hi, Giddy. Hi, baby. Hi, Jerry. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Giddy. Oh, Jerry, those are huge paws on my leg. Ow, buddy. What in the world? Hi, Jobs. Let him out. Couple. There you go. Jerry. Hi, buddy. Doing okay today? All right, so we're really not impressed with that vet. So, for those who do not know, we are this little itty bitty tiny family that lives in the middle of a jungle. And so, we don't have a ton of income. And Jerry's vet was over $300 yesterday, which would have been fine had they given us a diagnosis and something, but they didn't give us a diagnosis. We don't know what's wrong with our homeboy. So they sent us the x-rays, which I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with them. But we have them, and I guess that's something. But I didn't think that she was very nice to Jerry. I wasn't real nice. I wasn't impressed. So good vets are real hard to find. We tried the vet up the road, and the vet up the road sucks. So next time, Jerry's gonna go into the really super good vet. The super good vet's like an hour away through this crazy heat, trying to get there, which is what we're gonna do. So maybe this vet will come back and tell us what exactly the x-rays tell us. But for now, the 300 bones poor and no answers. So, hi, Hanny. A bad vet, huh? We don't like those bad vets. You'll bite them. We'll bite them if we can, huh? Alright. So good morning. And I hope you guys have a very good day. Much love to all. Giddy. Jarbar. Cool, baby. Alright, we did the best we could. And they're gone. Jerry, stay there. Don't break your leg. And the dogs are gone. That's the dogs out there now. They're out there screaming. Alright, much love all.